So here we are doing DFS and A star. Here we are using A star. We are creating a min priority queue. Now in this class node, the state is a dictionary and the class node is a global class for both. And the cost function we are using for A star is the heuristic function is the sum of missionaries and cannibals on the left side of the bank divided by the boat capacity. Okay, that is the heuristic we are using here. And this function prints the path, and the DFS solution gets appended to this list and the A star solution gets appended to this list. As you see here, the flag we are setting, if the flag is true, it's DFS. If the flag is false, it's the A star. And you will see flag here in the bottom here, and you'll see here the flag is false and here the flag is true. Now going up, here we are performing the action. Initially we are checking whether the move is actually possible or not. Then we are checking whether the move is legal or not here. And here we are creating the new state as a dictionary. As you can see here, we're initializing all the states here. Then moving on to A star, which is very identical to this the above code with DFS, but we are using a priority queue right here. Oops. We are using a priority queue right here to create the A star, and we are using the cost function. So here you see the total cost. The total cost, we are using the A star cost function, which is a heuristic function. So, and finally you're creating the action tuples. So these are the like legal actions that are possible. And here you have the left machinery, right machinery, and you have our goal state here, and we have our initial state here, which is the three cannibals to the left and 3 machineries to the left. And down below you have the solution printed, where the initial state for DFS is 3 missionaries and 3 cannibal to the left. And finally, as you can see here, you're getting the goal state, 3 missionaries and 3 cannibal to the right. Similarly for A star, you have 3 missionaries and 3 cannibal to the left, and finally you have 3 missionaries and 3 cannibal to the right. Let's talk about the code a little bit more. So here, if the A star is flagged false, then we are basically appending our solution. This is our DFS. You see here. Here it's not true. If the flag is not true, it's false, it's a DFS. If the flag is true here, if the A star flag is true, then we are creating the priority queue, as you can see here, and the cost function is also updated appropriately. That is using the heuristic as we have seen before. Alright, is there anything I'm missing? Is there anything else not performing? So legal, this checks for the legal nodes can be added or not. The new state checks for the legal nodes. Similarly here also you'll see the same thing, that legal nodes can be added or not. And then you are ensuring that here the state is legal or not. And here you're basically having 2 if. So here, if the side is left, the side is right, and basically the code is pretty much identical for a few minor changes here and there. I think this should be clear. Is there anything else I'm not explaining? This is the initialization, as I mentioned before. It's the printing the path. Yeah, and that's it. And you have A star and DFS shown here. Thanks for watching.